Namaste, welcome to shylaji.com. I'm Shaila Vasunath. Today I'll be doing another video, the continuation of my previous video on the second line which I was doing. But before that, we have the quiz which many of you are waiting to know the results of that quiz. So let us go to the quiz first, then we will start talking about the video which I'll be doing for today. Now, I have given here some words and I had asked you to find out what these two have got a particular letter. What is it in Hindi? Now, this one, many of you had written it right, but then one or two were wrong, so that I will explain here to you. Now see here, this how you pronounce it. I have seen many people pronouncing it as paneer. Many people have pronounced it as paneer. If I say paneer, it is P-A-N-N-E-E-R. But here there is only one N. So one N is there, means what it is? Paneer. You have to pronounce it as paneer. Okay? Not paneer, it is paneer. So paneer. So what vowel it is? E. Paneer. So E. The next one, I have given here rich. Rich. So what it is? Letter Ch. Okay? Rich. Ch. This some of you have written wrong here. Now how do you don't say rank or you don't say rank, you say rank. Ra. A. So A. A. Right, this is A, apple, A, rank. So that is it. The next one, check. It is K. For Q, it is K. Next one, many of you would say video. Video. No, it's wrong. It's not video, it's video. Video. Okay? Video. This pronunciation, remember when you say, always remember, you cannot pronounce it as video, you say it video. Video. Okay? So, it will be E. Okay? V. The next one, Mumbai. So, Mumbai. So, it is short sound. I have underlined the U there, which is U. These are the answers for last video's quiz. Now, I'm going to start with the next video on consonants. I have underlined these three because these two I had already done in my previous video. If you have not watched it, please go to my playlist. There you would find letters, words and phrases. In that you would find these videos and you can watch it, because suddenly you come to this video, you might not be able to understand what I had pronounced, which way I had pronounced these two letters. तो अगर आप वो देखेंगे तो आपको और आसान हो जाएगा सीखने में. It will be more easy for you to learn. So I have done these three now in this particular video. Please watch the pronunciation and followed by how to write the letter, followed by, as usual, a quiz. So don't miss to watch the video till the end. Okay? Now let's go into the video. The first one, I'm giving you side by side, I'm giving you in English how you pronounce these words and what are all the sounds related to this one in English. So in that way, children who are watching, you will be able to understand the English letters. You will be able to read these words with proper understanding, but surely if they are too small, parents' guidance is required so that any parent can observe or watch these videos and then they can explain it to their child in a better way. Now, I have given here G and J. Okay? G and J, these two letters I have given here. For that I have written the words also. For these two we have the letter J. This is called J. Okay? I have done in my previous video aspirated, unaspirated. So now we are doing unaspirated, that is which we don't give much pressure at all. We just say J. Okay? Now see here, age. age. J we are pronouncing. G, when it is coming here, we pronounce it as J. When we have three vowels, that is E, I and Y. When we have it after the letter G, then this will sound as J. Okay, J sound, that is J sound. I hope you have understood. After the letter G, when we have E, I and Y, the vowels E, I and Y is not a vowel. It's, you can take it as a semi-vowel in case you... Otherwise, it is not a vowel. It is here and there actually to say, because it comes in the pronunciation of I as well as Y. So, now here when it comes like that, this G will not be pronounced as G, which has to be, but it will pronounce as J. So here you say age, J, age. Now see here, Y has come after a G, so this pronunciation is energy, energy, okay, energy. Now here, J, with J I have given Vijay, Vijay, okay, Vijay. Now I have given the words in Hindi, you have got it in English. I think you know, now you have got the sound of J. Now we will pronounce it in Hindi. It is Jad. Jad. Jad means root. Okay? Root. Root. R-O-O-T, root. We say, the plant root. That also we say Jad. Or in general, when we say Jad, we say the foundation or the base. All that we call it as Jad. The next one, Jug. Jug. Two meanings it has got, jug. One is the jug which you have, which you pour water, that is jug. Another one, world. World is also jug. The next one, jahaz. Jahaz. Jahaz means ship. Ship is called jahaz. Next one, jalebi. 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 Jalebi, the sweet jalebi. Now this is jawab. Jawab means answer. Okay? Sawal jawab we say. So jawab is answer. The next one is jal. Jal. Jal means water. Okay? Jal, water. Now let us go to the next letter. This is aspirated letter. J. J. We give more pressure from inside. The air pressure comes out. J. Okay? I have given one word here in English. Actually, it is Hindi word. Name of a place, a state. Jharkhand. Jharkhand. Okay? Jharkhand. So, I have given here Jharkhand. But then you should find out if there is any other word with J. Okay? Jharkhand. I have given one word here. In Hindi I have given Jharna. Jharna. Jharna means waterfalls. Okay, waterfalls, Jharna. The next one, Jhanda. Jhanda, flag. Okay, Jhanda. Jhan, immediately when da comes there, what happens? The tongue, it goes round to touch the top palate in the center. Jhan, see, automatically it goes Jhanda. Okay, Jhanda, flag. The next one, Jhagad. Jhagad. Jhagad means fight. Okay, Jhagad, fight. Jhapat. Jhapat means pounce. To pounce on someone, no? Jhapat. Now this one, it is Nya. Okay, Nya. I'll give you the sounds here. This is Ja, this is Jha, and this is Nya. Okay? Now, in Hindi, we don't use this letter as a whole anywhere. But then I want you to know the correct pronunciation of this letter. I've given you some English words so that you know where that sound comes from. Now, let me pronounce it, the English one, pinch. Pinch. So, when you sound that in, you stop there and see where exactly your tongue is on hold. Okay, pinch. Because you know very well after that it's going to be ch. In your mind, goes on. The next letter is CH. So when the ch has to be pronounced, automatically the end sound goes to that particular place. Okay, so pinch, pinch. The next one, strange, strange, right? Now can you understand where the sound stops? So that's really, I think it is interesting, right? You wouldn't have analyzed this way. You would have just learned the letters. So what happens? You're not able to read it or pronounce it correctly, whether it is English or Hindi. So I'm telling you here, strange, strange. J sound has come because followed by there is a E, so this became J. And here it is N, right? So that sound comes just before your teeth above. Strange. Then see this, Sanjay, sun. It's coming, right? So Sanjay. Now I hope you've understood the sound of this. I told you this letter will not be used anywhere as a whole. So you have got it with a dot. This letter, it's with a dot. Now if you need to know more details about all this, I had given separately a video on Panchamakshar. If you want to know more on that, you can watch that video, Panchamakshar. In grammar playlist you will find. Now see here, this I will, because of the dot, I will be pronouncing it as Punjab, Punjab, okay, in that sound, Punjab, Punjab, it's a place, okay. The next one, Panchi, Panchi, Panchi means bird, Pakshi, Panchi, okay. Pakshi is actually Sanskrit. In Hindi it is Panchi, okay. Now you've understood for these 3 letters, the second row also done. So totally how many letters have you learnt in consonants? In consonants you have learnt 2 rows, the k row and ch row. Earlier it was k row, now this is ch row, full 5. So totally 10 letters you have learnt. So 13 vowels and 10 consonants you have learnt. So in my next video I will be doing the 3rd row, that is T varg. Now let us start to write these letters. These 3 I'll just show you. See, first you are going to put like this, okay. Then you take it like this. Then you put a straight line. Followed by a sleeping line, okay. So simple. Just go like this and one. Okay. The next one. First you put a small straight line. Then put a yes. Okay. Like how you put E and E in vowels, no? Same way you'll put it. You'll bring it down. Same way you go around and you bring it down. Just like E. And then you put at the waistline, you just put a line over there. Then you put a straight line and a sleeping line. Okay. Now see here. First a stroke. Then you go S followed by this way like E. Then after you put the E, you put a line here. Then you put a straight line. And then you put a sleeping line. It is J. The third one, I mean the 5th letter, nasal sound, very simple, inverse C. Generally your C is this way, right? Now you are going to put the other way. So you are going to put it this side, like C. Okay, then you put a line in the center. Put like this, a line in the center, then straight line, then a sleeping line. Nya. Okay, you have got all the 3, J, J, Nya. Okay, so you know how to write now. please watch this so that you will not make mistake in writing your letters. And if you want to write beautifully or you want to have a good handwriting, please follow the shapes correctly and write it in such a way so always your handwriting will be nice to see. It will be liked by all and it will be more legible also. Okay, now quiz, little different, interesting. You have to think. I'll just, if you want, you can take a screenshot. Later you can analyze on that what it could be. Now see the first quiz. Watch carefully what I'm saying. First quiz, I've given 2 dash. In these gaps, you have to fill Hindi letters. Okay, it could be a consonant, it could be vowel. You have to fill. Now P-I. So P, I've given P dash dash ir. Okay, now I'm giving you equivalent to that photo, movie, it could be anything. So I'm giving you a clue for these 2 letters to be filled. 2 letters are there. Okay, now the next one, it is a name of a person. It's a masculine gender. Ra, ma is there, dash and sh. Now here you have to fill 1 letter. Now second, in that quiz, second Roman number I've given. The first one, I've given the meaning over here and it is a Hindi word actually. The first letter here is missing. I've given here J. In Hindi it is Ja, right? Today you have read it. Now I've given the meaning of this word here today. So you have to find out what this letter here would be. The next one, I've given the meaning here now. Now you have to find out, I've given ba at the end. Now what letter is missing here in Hindi? I've given in English, but I'm expecting a Hindi letter in these places. So all these I'm expecting a Hindi letter. Okay, these 2 are over. Now we'll go to the final one. I've given you a puzzle. Here I've given a word. Okay, I've given a word here. Please read it well. You'll know. This way there is one word and this way there is a word. That means for this word and this word together, commonly there is 1 letter here. 1 Hindi letter is there which is missing. And this, for this there is a meaning here and for this also there is a meaning here. So both meanings are given. Now you have to find out what Hindi letter would come over here. Okay, to make the meaning for this and for this. Meaning, English meaning is given here. Now you have to give the Hindi letter over here. Is it tough? No. By now you would have identified what it is. Otherwise take time, because till you get my next video you can think and keep the answers ready to check with my answers when I'm doing the next video. So I hope you had enjoyed and also watch this interesting quiz waiting for the next answers to be released with a video. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Click the bell icon so that you get my latest notification. Until then, namaste.